We show you guys how to sign up CPA Grade so that you'll be able to make more money on this platform, which is CPA Grade Market platform. Okay, so without wasting much of time, just check the description of the video for the link, or just go to Google and search CPA Grade. Click on register. These are the things, this is what you're going to do. So just click on register to fill these particulars. Okay, so just provide your name that indicate required field. So this the asterisk, okay, the one that we have star here means that the place you need to fill it. You don't have to leave it like that. Okay, so just enter your first name, enter your last name, you enter your company. Okay, your company can be your name or anything that you want, and then website, you can put your YouTube website here. It's not compulsory, so you can decide to leave it. And then your street address, okay, you just have to provide your state that you are living in. So just type here is a global thing, so you can get your country there. Then the city you're living, the region, the zip code, the phone number, and then the last one is the Skype user. Okay, so your Skype, you just have to go to skype.com to create Skype account, and then you get your user, then you put it here. Okay, then you just have to come to this part of the platform. I have already created an account, that's what I'm just showing you guys how you can go about it. So just publisher. Okay, so you just click here, publisher, you select here to be other. Okay, so you check here to be other, and then you come here and then select confirm. You select your password, you confirm your password, then you select your time zone, and then where did you hear about that about us, you can decide to share how you heard about CPA growth. So you are watching YouTube video, so you just click here from YouTube, and then you agree to the terms. You just have to go to their terms, read and agree, and then agree. I agree. I will have to agree that you will not complete the offer yourself, and then you have to just agree the terms, and then you click here register now. So I have an account, I will log in. So I just have an account, so I log in. So after you register, just have to go to your email address to verify your email before you can log in. And then after you verify your email, you are going to see the interface just like what is about to open for you to see. Queue to this platform, and this is what you're going to see. We have a lot of offers here that you can promote from this platform, and it's easy. It's global thing. It doesn't matter your country. You can just sign up here and start making money from this platform. If you want to learn how to market your CPA Guru links, just subscribe to this channel, watch the video, because I have more video upcoming on how you can make more money from this platform. See you. Bye bye.